Learning is not something students receive, it is something they experience, build, and create. At School, learning moves beyond the classroom into a center of excellence designed to shape future innovators. With over 9 advanced laboratories, students step into environments where ideas transform into reality. Recognized under the Space Tutor Program by the Indian Space Research Organization, we are proud to announce that School has been officially recognized as an Space Tutor of ISRO for the next 3 years. School brings national-level exposure into everyday learning, opening pathways to explore space science and beyond. In the STEAM lab, curiosity drives innovation, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics come alive through real-world problem-solving. In the language lab, students find their voice, building confidence, clarity, and expression. In the automobile lab, students don't just study machines, they build them. From concept to creation, engineering becomes a lived experience. In the electrical and electronics lab, students explore the systems that power the modern world, developing skills that drive innovation. This is experiential learning, where knowledge is applied, skills are built, and learning becomes meaningful. Here, students grow into thinkers, creators, problem solvers, ready to face real-world challenges. At School, we are not just preparing students for exams, we are preparing them for life.